Hello friend, welcome to my channel Technical Hakim. Today in this video we will know how to create LACP interface and include physical interface into LACP in Junos Juniper devices. So without any delay, let's begin the video. Here you can see I have logged into one of the Junos device. Here you can see I have logged into EX series 2300 Junos device. So first of all we will issue show interface starts command to verify whether there is any already configured LACP interfaces or not. So here you can see there are not any LACP interface created on this device. So we will now create one. For that we will issue set interface and we will give name to LACP interface or aggregated ether interface. So for here I will provide A1 aggregate ether option LACP and LACP mode 2. If you do not know the further command, perform helper command or issue what. Here you can see LACP mode to passive or LACP mode to active. For LACP to be off, either the both sides should be in active state or one side should be in active and the other side should be in passive. Then only the LACP mode will come up. So I will here LACP active. Now let's provide description to the LACP interface which we have created for our use. Let's check what things we have performed. Here you can see show pipe compare command will provide you the comparison of recent changes which I have done. We have created A1 interfaces plus description and LACP mode and active. And unless we issue commit command in Juniper Junos devices, the command won't be saved in the device. So we must issue commit command in order to save the configuration in the devices. So here you can see the configuration has succeeded. So now let's issue show interface description command. When you issue show interface description command, the device will only show the interface which has been set with description. Here you can see one of the interface A1 has been created and the description has been set test. But here you can notice one thing, you cannot see admin status up or down or link status up down. This is because by default there isn't any aggregate ether device count configured in Junos device, so we need to manually configure it. For that we need to go to configuration mode and we will issue set chassis aggregated, and if you don't know the command, issue the question mark aggregate ethernet and device count to number of aggregate ethernet device. I will share 2. So pipe will show you the comparison of recent changes and we will issue commit command. There you can be commit has been succeeded. So now let's check. Okay, now here you can see the admin status is up. When you sort this interface, the admin status will go down. Here you can see the admin status is up and link is down. The link status is down because we haven't included any physical interfaces in this LACP. Neither the interface which has been included is or the another side devices isn't configured with LACP. For LACP to be up, the another device or another side device or the connecting link side also must be in LACP, then only the LACP will come up. Both the sides should be in either the both sides should be in active mode LACP, or one side should be in active and the other side should be in passive, and only the LACP will come up. So now let's include one of the interfaces in LACP. So let's let's include interface G07 in LACP. For that, here you can see there is something compression in the interface. We will delete this. We will delete the compression. Here you can see the changes. When you issue the delete interface G007 command, the compression inside G007 is deleted. Now we will include G007 into LACP. R0 IEEE standard 802 LACP and the LACP interface AE1 bundle. Now let's commit the command. Let's save the configuration. Here you can see the error. XSTP interface is not enabled for ether switching. Error configuration checkout failed. It means there is some protocol XSTP configured and the interface is 007. Let's verify the configuration in the switch. While we are in configuration mode, we issue run command in Junos device. We issue run configuration command. RSTP should be configured, I think. Okay, here you can see RSTP is configured in these ports. In interface G07 RSTP is configured. So first of all we need to delete protocols RSTP interface G007. Now we will again issue first command. Set interface 07. Now let's check the changes. Here you can see from protocol RSTP G007 has been removed, and this configuration has also been removed, and interface G007 has been included in AE1 LACP. Now let's commit, check the configuration. Let's check whether the configuration is now okay or not. So here you can see the commit has been succeeded. Means the syntax or the configuration is right. So I have issued the commit command. In Juniper, to save the configuration, we issue commit command. So here you can see the configuration has been succeeded. So now let's verify the configuration of interface AE1. Here you can see there is nothing configured in AE1. And now let's verify the configuration of interface G007. Here you can see the interface G007 is included in AE1 bundle. So now let's configure the interface AE1. We will set interface AE1 init 0 family switching and interface mode. We can issue either to keep it in access or trunk mode. So I need more than one VLAN, so I will keep it in trunk mode. And now I will mention I will tag the specific VLAN. So I will VLAN members. For now I will allow the all the VLAN. So now let's check what changes we have done. Here you can see unit J in interface AE1 unit 0 family third switching interface mode trunk and VLAN members all has been allowed. So now let's commit the configuration. Okay, so now let's also share the description for interface G007 for our use. We have done three things. We have configured LACP, and we have included physical interface into the LACP, and we have also configured the LACP interfaces. Okay, the configuration has been saved. So now you should show interface description point. Here you can see G007 interface admin status is up and link status is down. This is because I haven't connected any cable to the interface G007. Once I connect cable to the G007, the another side host also must be in LACP to form LACP between the devices. So in this way we can configure LACP, we can include LACP physical port into LACP and configure LACP interfaces. I hope you find this video relevant and useful. Do drop down your comment in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.